Hey, Mr. Roberts. I spoke with Steve this morning, and my name is Lee Turbianic, and I was doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you could do today to beat out your competition online. Not trying to waste either of our time, so by the end of the video, you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help your business grow, just give me a call and we can chat. Now, there's 3 major things that I want to cover today, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So here we are looking at your website, and I can see that this is just one of those business websites that Google provides for you basically just by creating a GMB. It's your basic outline. It doesn't really show off Flowstar as a company. Doesn't allow you to show your logo. There's no contact form up here in the heading. It's missing a lot of information, and with these sites, they typically don't do very well as far as ranking. And in Anchorage, the competition is very stiff, and I'm going to show you what a #1 website looks like compared to you guys who could use a nice website revamp. So I just did a quick search for plumber Anchorage, and as we go down, Circle Plumbing and Heating is in first place. So let's take a look at their website. Now, as you can see, this is a well-built website. It's got the logo, it's got their services. However, I would have a drop-down menu with all their services and a contact form submit right here up in the header. Also, I don't see any keywords mainly pointing out, except maybe Anchorage Best Plumbing Company. But this site isn't nothing special and is very easy to beat. And the main thing that we're looking for is content. So Google likes to see 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on a home page. And these guys maybe have 400 to 500. So if we were to go out and get that for your home page and do a proper website, maybe on WordPress and built with Elementor, that would extremely help you guys in pulling some more traffic right off the bat. But let's go back to the search. So as you see, I just typed plumber Anchorage, and this is going to show all the top guys. So up here's your ads, and these companies are paying cost per click just to be advertised up here. It can get very costly, and 9 times out of 10 you're getting bogus clicks and paying more money than you're making with these. But I want to focus on this section, this GMB section, and this organic section. So this GMB, now as you can see, Anchorage Plumbing and Heating is in first place, and you guys are not showing up in the top 3. So you're probably wondering, well, how do I get there? Well, Google ranks you according to your citations. Now, a citation is your business name, the address, and the phone number listed in directories all across the web. And like the Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. So I wanted to see how many citations they have. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. And I plugged in their information, and it showed me they have 49 citations to claim that top spot. Best part about this tool is I can see exactly where they're getting them from, so we can go and grab yours listings for this. So Facebook, Yelp, Bing, BBB, MapQuest, Yellow Pages, all these are providing power. And as you can see, 96, 93. Now as you get down to the spammy ones down here, look at Research Giant, the Plumber Hub, 14.4, they're not really transferring that much power rather than these well-known websites that are connecting back to them. So we would want to go out, grab all the ones that are transferring the most power, and then go and grab 100 to 200 more, beat these guys out that are ranking in this top 3, and get up here in this map pack. Because about 40% of all clicks that come from somebody looking for plumber Anchorage, they're usually going to go right in here and call you, or look right here. Skip right over the ads usually. But so that's citations and the map pack. As far as this organic section, Circle Plumbing and Heating is in first place, and what ranks you down here is backlinks. So a backlink is when another website links back to your website, and Google counts them or considers them as votes. The more websites that are linking back to your website that are relevant are going to transfer a lot more power to you, because if people are willing to send their traffic from their website to your website, Google sees that you must be reliable and a trustworthy company. So, as I have another tool I use, and I plugged in your site into this, Flowstar AK, and this is going to show me a basic overview of all your site stats, your backlinks, what kind of keywords you're ranking for, and the traffic you're getting. So as you can see, your scores are pretty non-existent at this point. You only have 4 backlinks. You are ranking for 25 keywords, but let's see what kind of keywords you're ranking for. So Anchorage Plumber. Now, this is going to show me the keyword, the volume, how hard it is to rank, and what kind of traffic and position you're in. So when someone types Anchorage plumber. There's 100 searches a month for somebody looking for an Anchorage plumber. Right now you're in the 20th position, so that's the third page. 1 through 10 is first page, 11 through 19 is second page, 20 through 29 is third page. So you guys are on the third page at this point. No one ever goes there when they're looking for something. They're going right here on this first page and maybe scroll down to the bottom, maybe hit page 2, but 9 times out of the 10, they're going to go right here and right here because they're in a frantic emergency. But this is to show you what is possible out there, and I'm going to show you what this top competitor is gaining from being number 1 in all these. But look at Anchorage Plumber 100, plumbers in Anchorage, 80 searches a month for that. You're in the 20th position again. Anchorage Plumbers with the S, 150 searches. There's 150 people looking for Anchorage Plumbers every month. As you can see, this is represents an average monthly number. So plumber Anchorage, 250. Plumbing companies Anchorage. And why these keywords are important is because this is exact phrases you want in your website and your content. Just to show you a quick example, this is a plumbing website that I built for a plumber in Woodland Hills, and here's one of his keywords, plumber Woodland Hills. You want it in a heading, Woodland Hills plumber. You want it in your content, so you're telling Google, hey, I want to be found for these keywords, and then you go and add SEO and backlinks to your website, and boom, you're going to start climbing rankings. But as you can see, there's tons of search volume. Anchorage Plumbing and Heating, plumbing companies. There is plumber in Anchorage, 20 search. So we would go target these strong ones, and they're the ones that we would go after. Now your competitor. Now this is the guy who is in first place, right? Circle Plumbing and Heating. I plugged his in. Circle Plumbing. He's got a 29 and a 3.2. A little bit stronger than you at this point. He's got 383 backlinks, ranking for 250 keywords, but look at his traffic. 823 people to his site a month. And I know he's killing it right now, but he's not unbeatable. These scores are very, very weak, and we could easily take him over. Another thing, 383 backlinks. Out of those, only 48 are transferring any power, and that's the do follow links. But let's see what kind of traffic he's getting. Plumber Anchorage, he's getting 77 traffic for being in first place. Anchorage Plumber, 75 traffic out of the 200 total. Anchorage Plumbing and Heating, 900 searches a month for that. That is a huge keyword, and he's in second position. Man, you have a gold mine sitting here, and just by having a well-built website, doing some SEO on it, you guys could really amp up your traffic, and you would look like what Circle Plumbing and Heating is doing right now. But unfortunately, with the way your website is and the way that you guys have everything going, that's never going to happen in that case. But anyways, Mr. Roberts and Steve, I would like to talk with you a little bit more on this if possible. Feel free to reach out, 570-240-5257. My name is Lee. Any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. And yeah, I'm here for you for all this. So I look forward to hearing from your call. Thank you.